Hello, I would like to talk about foundation settlement. This issue is very common in all buildings, big and small. The two main types of foundation settlements are uniform and differential settlement. The first is uniform settlement, which is when a building settles into the ground uniformly across its foundation. This means that all parts of the structure will settle at the same rate, and the building maintains its original shape and alignment. Uniform settlement is normal and usually nothing to worry about. The shape of doors and windows will not be affected. The second is differential settlement, which is when the foundation settles unevenly, meaning one part sinks more than another. How can this affect your home? Well, this can lead to structural damage and is usually caused by variations in soil conditions or uneven loading of the foundation. Now I have a few questions for you. Are your doors no longer closing or opening properly? Have you noticed cracks in the walls, floors, or ceilings? Have you noticed uneven floors? Is your molding separating from the walls or ceilings? These are but a few examples of what foundation settlement damage can cause in a house. Here at LA Structural, we have the technical expertise to help determine if your home is experiencing foundation settlement and how to properly address and mitigate, make something less severe, any further settlement. Call us at 323-422-5807.